I dip here. Now, the same side knee, I know this seems awkward because we kick it through anyway. Why would we dip the knee first? Okay, because when you switch here, you're actually gonna get stuck on your own foot, and then pulling this through is gonna be harder.
Yeah.
So it's a fast transition when you do it, but it makes a difference going here and dipping this knee versus just trying to switch and kick it through. Okay, so dipping this knee is important here because then when I go to switch my feet, see how I just replace my feet here? But because this knee's already through, it easily just circles to the inside, and I'm on my side here. Okay, so I'm already on my side, so I can actually kick versus being here and here. Okay, so I'm on my side, here and here. Now, one thing that I probably should have specified, when you're doing this, you need to make sure that this foot is strong. If you go with somebody that's got, granted, you guys don't have to worry about this until brown, but I think it's important to preface it now just so that you're ready when you get there and you don't have a bad habit. If you get somebody that's good at estemas and you're posted like this, okay, you're gonna get your foot snapped, okay? They're gonna break your foot. And estemas hurt really bad. I've broken a lot of people's feet in estemas. It's not fun, okay? So you need to make sure that this is strong. See how I'm on her hip, but my ankle is strong here? I'm seeing a lot of people, you guys are like posting with like the side or top of your foot, and also that's kind of uncomfortable when I push. Like that hurts my own ankle, and I got pretty flexible feet. Okay, so I'm stomping on this hip, and this heel is kicking the back. Okay, now I'm not taking this foot off when I go to my footlock. I stay here, and I'm using this to pick my hips up. All my weight, for the most part, is on my shoulder and on her hip. Okay, and then I bring this through here. But I use this to pick my hips up. See how my hips are up? I'm not here. This is not gonna work, okay? I need to come up, and this also, see how all this space I have here to adjust this grip? So I'm on my shoulder and my foot. Now I have all this space to adjust here before I come through, versus sitting here like this, trying to do this. And this, you can do it, but it's so hard, and it's so much more work. Okay, let's go back. So the sweep, we're here, she stands up. I grab, I dip, okay? Same side knee to the foot that I have. I dip it in, okay? Now I switch my feet. As I switch, this foot circles in, so I'm already sweeping, okay? Now I pick my hips up to adjust here and here. Now see how I can be low on that foot and make my grip high? Now when I come through and I hook here, it's easy. It's hard to see when you do it full speed, because when I do it full speed, it just looks like she stood up and then all of a sudden she's on her butt and my knee's over, right? Like there's so many little things that are happening, but it's hard to see it because it's fast, but if you do them slow, then they're gonna pass. So for now, practice it a little bit slow till you get there, and then you can start speeding it up. So obviously if you were to do it as slow as you need to first learn it, they're gonna pass. Okay, because when you actually do this real time, it would look a little bit more something like this. Okay, when I do this real speed, it looks more like this. Okay, you guys don't see anything that happened, right?
It just happened.
Okay, you guys see when I do it slow, how there would be space for her to like back step and stuff like that. But when I actually do it for real, that's more what it looks like. So there's not actually any time for her to do that. Okay, let's go back to it. 1, 2, 3.